Here's a quick introduction to BizTexter, an artificial intelligence system for consumer-to-business mobile messaging. Our user is the business. Their user is the consumer. The consumer can text in, "What are your specials?" or "How late are you open?" and get automatic responses. And they don't have to have a smartphone, they don't have to download an app or follow anyone on social media. Imagine that you're a consumer, you're at a hotel, you're tired, you don't want to have to talk to anybody, you just want to be able to text in things like menu and find out what they have to offer, like breakfast, attraction, gym, room service. Maybe you want to know what the pool hours are. Oh good, it's 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Oh well, actually maybe you need to do some work, so you ask for the Wi-Fi password. Well there you go, that's how easy it is. Maybe you're done with that and you're feeling adventurous and you want to find some attractions nearby, so you go ahead and ask that. Then of course they can give you an amazing recommendation. As you saw in that demo, it was the consumer texting the business. Now here's what the mobile app looks like from the business user's perspective. This is how they control their campaigns, set up their automatic replies, those type of things. So in here they can send messages to an individual or to a group. They can see their inbox, look at the conversations, they can reply manually if needed. They can schedule messages, so these are powerful drip campaigns. So in 24 hours, this message goes out, 72 hours, that type of thing. They could schedule messages at a specific date and time in the future to an individual or group, and of course do day of the week specials. The real power is in the automatic replies. So here we have mapped out with machine learning algorithms all the different ways people ask the basic questions. What are your hours? Where's your location? What's the GPS or the Google Maps link? That type of thing. What are your specials? We also allow customers to use keyword-based custom responders that they could set up. So maybe front desk, or what are some attractions around here? Are there restaurants? Or maybe what's the Wi-Fi password? Or is the gym open? Or what are the pool hours? That type of thing. They can change their subscription level if needed. And then they could see analytics on everything. So how many people have triggered an automatic response? How many time messages went out? That type of thing. We also have an advanced settings area where they can configure a lot of different things, but more importantly, they can integrate with outside APIs, CRM systems, and even call center software. Here's a quick demo of the web app user interface that complements the mobile app. So as you saw in the video, the consumer was texting the business things like, "What are your pool hours?" And we're going to see this happening in real time. So this message, of course, is being relayed back to the system. Boom, we get an immediate answer showing what time the pool hours are. Now if we go back over here and hit refresh, we can see the conversation showing up here. So you can see the thread right here. When we respond from here manually, we'll be able to see it show up here. Great. Okay, so that's the basics. It goes back and forth. So you can control it from the web app or the mobile app. As you can see, you can send messages to groups, configure your auto replies, your scheduled messaging, manage your contacts, all those awesome things you can do from inside the mobile app, you can also do in the web app user interface. And now for the business overview.
32 trillion messages will be sent in 2015, expecting to more than triple that in 2016. Have you opened every email today? Email open rates less than 15%. Texting has an overwhelming open rate of 98%. Consumers are now empowered by having two-way conversational texting with businesses.
Out of 31,000 downloads, we've retained over 5,600 business users in our beta. We're on pace to do $400,000 in revenue thanks to our 20% conversion rate, our low cost per acquisition, and the fact that our users have sent over 32 million text messages.
BT is thrilled to be the highest ARPU revenue producer in any app store. Reoccurring subscriptions range from $5 to $500. Some are over $7,000 monthly. White label and license opportunities add new revenues for SMS carriers and resellers. BT is now defined as the growth software productivity tool. Every business from retail to call centers gain efficiencies and stay lean.
It can take 3 to 6 months and hundreds of thousands of dollars to deploy an artificial intelligence system, and that doesn't even include the impersonal, non-interactive texting systems that are very expensive and come with complicated contracts. We solve all these pain points.
BT has exceeded expectations on cellular devices. We know growth through resellers is key. The adoption of Android desktop phones, as seen here, is the first to integrate intelligent conversational messaging on a hosted IPPBX phone. Cloud API, OTT, and WebRTC beta in Q4. We are in negotiations with Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, and technology partners such as ZTE, Huawei, Sony, and Samsung.
Applying big data analytics to all the interactions our business users are having with their customers, we've built a deep learning neural net. We've based it on proven technology from enterprise partners such as IBM Watson, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft.
BT will do over $400,000 as working on revenue share partners such as Pizza Hut, Nike, Red Cross, and the U.S. Army. Our expansion globally will grow from 7 countries to many in 2016.
John has had several successful exits in enterprise SaaS and CRM. David's background is in high competition SEO and pay-per-click. He was the original founder. Noreen has 25 years experience in telecom and built MCI's first VPN. Ben has a long history of success in operations, sales, and customer service management. We are top-rated startup in Fierce Wireless and Catalyst magazines. We won 3rd place at the Google San Francisco pitch, and we won IBM Smart Camp in LA.